Your Squarespace URL is given to your website when you enter your first and last name from our sign-up page. This is also used as part of the URL that's considered your account ID. For example, accountid.squarespace.com. You can change this URL at any time. To do so, click Settings from the Home menu and select Domains. Locate your built-in Squarespace domain, enter a new Squarespace URL, and click the Rename button. Please note that a new Squarespace URL can only be chosen if it's not already in use by someone else with a Squarespace account. If you see an error message when trying to save, it may be that the one you want is already in use. In that case, you need to select an alternate Squarespace URL. For an expired site, you can still log in to change the account name if need be. Click the Owner Login button to log into your expired Squarespace account, and from the Home menu, click Settings, and then select Domains. Click Rename to change the account name like before. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.